Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today I did a model of the airbrush load over a composite beam here. Here we have concrete as a first layer, then the interface as an epoxy, and third three wood layer here, the one, three, one, two, three, and between uh, this wood and this we use cohesive interaction as the interaction property. So let me click on this. You can see this is the stress which is happened, but before that, let me check the compressive damage. See here. And if you see, you can see the deformation and the failure happen in the wood. Click on animate. This is the damage propagation. Then the deformation. You can see the deformation of the wood and failure which is happened. Compression damage, then the damage interval. First, let me replace the first wood layer. See here, this is the first wood layer, the damage which is happened. Then replace the other, for instance, the second layer. See the second layer and replace other, and then the third layer. Okay, you can see all damage variables for the wood under the blast load, and then the compression for matrix, tension for matrix, sorry, fiber. These are the failed fiber here, see, here and here. Then the compression matrix and tension for matrix. Then we can check the stress. Let me replace all and just replace the concrete. This is the concrete stress. Then we have also reinforcement in the concrete. Here the stress. Then we can check the stiffness degradation or anything that you need to know. For instance, here, see, we have separation between the layer. Also full failure happen, full failure of the wood. Okay, so if you need to model the blast over the concrete, reinforced concrete, and epoxy layer, connection epoxy layer with the other layers, and then the wood with cohesive interaction. See here, this is the epoxy. We have the epoxy here. Okay, you can use this tutorial. We use damage for all parts like the concrete and wood here. And if you need it, you can come to our website here, abacusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the introduction, an overview, then the composite system, the blast resistance, the assembly, key simulation challenges, then the application, and then the definition of the convert method and the result as figures you can see. The cost for the CA English video, CA INP codes English video and reference for the material is 26 euros. We accept all the cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, contact us at this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the tutorial, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.